The people are the fans of the Fourth Wing series, the books. I guess this came out like a couple of days ago, and I just found out there's going to be a TV show with especially the Fourth Wing. I not edited yet. Probably in January I might. Wait, now I got. If you saw my video last night, I put tons of books, like 8, for the end of year. So it says here, not too long after Rebecca Yarros, Fourth Wing took the readers' world by storm, alive in May of 2023. The book was obtained for TV series adopted. The news came just before the second book in the Empire series, Iron Flame, published in November of 2023. So yeah, I did saw the year or date coming out. The Fourth Wing series, yes, Iron Flames continue the saga and the rival the same year as Fourth Wing. The book series has 5 books, arc blend, and third installment of Storm arrived in 2025. So the third book series will be coming out in January sometime. So wait and see when. Sounds like related Netflix joined the Thursday Murder Club, Chris Columbus, and Blend Entertainment's feature. It might be on Netflix. I'm not sure. But Might be on Netflix, Hulu, or other streaming service. So I would like to watch it. It depends where it's streaming. If so, I will might okay. The show remains in early stages of development, but progress has been made. So, since the announcement of adaptation, so sometime next year in 2025. So, I first want to see when it is. First, finish all my other books I picked out and get going. So, well, that is it for right now. So, yeah. Wait and see where this going to be on. So, anyway, see you. I'm going to go see you guys later.